Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card to the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, go ahead and click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says My Target. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Payment. If you go ahead and scroll down where it says Payments, View and Update Payment Details, click on that. Next, click on Add Payment Card. And then this is where you can actually go ahead and add a credit or debit card. So click on Continue. And then this is where you're going to enter your new debit card number, and there you have it. Now, we do have some blurred information here, but that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a debit card to the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.